Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take you.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Nadula once more. This is the packaging. It's the same thing as last time. It's just branded Nadula. Quite simple. In today's box, inside says, don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep it moving. Okay. And then I'm seeing the wig here. So before I get into that, the next thing we got in the box, some goodies. Oh, okay, we got a bit of goodies. All right, so let's see what's in this bag first. So in the bag, I have like this patterned elastic band. It's great to melt your edges down. I got a wig cap. Okay, this is for ball cap method. Easy to control, the hair. It looks quite good. It looks like a very breathable material. Not that all wig caps are pretty thin and breathable, but that one looks really good. I got one of these brushes, and I got a pair of lashes as well. And those are all in the goodie box bag. All right, so separately from that, I got this. I wonder if it's another robe. It looks like another robe, and if it is, I am loving this color. Let's see. Ooh, it is. It is. I love the fact that it's nude. It's branded Nadula. And it's like a mid-sleeve kind of vibe. It's not all the way long sleeve. This is so classy and cute. Nadula is on it. This is a little, string to tie around the waist. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. This is today's wig that we're working with. This is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. Okay, lace front wig, and it's 24 inches long. It's body wave, as you can see. It's of a natural color. It's so nice and bouncy and full. I love that. The luster looks really nice as well. The lace, it looks like a medium brown transparent lace. It's a 13x4, as I mentioned before. Inside looks like this. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside and adjustable. Sorry about that, guys, about it going out of focus, but it does have adjustable straps in the back, and front of it is lightly plucked. That's how the front looks. And it looks good. It feels good. It's really nice and soft. I love that. Love that. So now that I got into the wig and I show you what we're working with, let's go ahead and get into installing it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love.
So as I said, if you want, as you can see, it's lightly plucked, but if you want, you could always go in and pluck it further if you want more graduation. But you can definitely just rock it straight out of the box, like how I am doing right now. And then I'm gonna cut off the excess lace around the ears. It's not that long, and it fits perfectly. It looks really good. And I love the fact that even though it's transparent lace, I love the fact that they still made the lace like a medium brown tone, so it will blend in with women of color like myself even more. It will blend in with your skin tone, so that's really nice. That's really nice. So I'm gonna do the next side.
Everything about you, your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, got a crush on you. That's true, indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. Oh yeah. that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
That's looking real good. Okay, super melted. Yeah, that looks real good. It looks real good. It's acting as if it's a Swiss lace. It's really nice. Yeah, that's giving. And you can definitely tell that the hairline is thin because you can see it just like it's flat. You know, it's flat. So it's giving a vibe where I just want to, you know, not do any edges. I don't know. See how I feel as I move along with this Insta, but for the most part I'm done with, you know, the got to be portion. So now I'm just gonna use my hot comb to kind of, you know, get everything laid out of the way. Guys, oh my gosh, I haven't added any extra curls. Oh my gosh, this is body waves that came in the wig. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm just doing like a flip over thing. I love the volume, the body. Look at that. The hairline looks good. It looks very realistic. You see that? I love this. I love this. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, because Nadula is giving. They are giving. Okay? I'm going to be sure to drop. So yeah, I thought I'd have to go in and like recurl, but the waves on this look really good. Very pleased. If you're looking for a really nice full body wave wig, I'd highly recommend this one. It is giving. So I'm going to be sure to drop the details on this wig in my description box. Also, the direct link to this wig will be listed, so check out my description box as usual for all of that. And shout out to Nadula wig once more. That's it for today's wig look. It was pretty much, you know, straightforward and to the point. You know, it's really gorgeous. So yeah, it's a vibe. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm